Countless studies have shown children experience learning loss over the summer. If they're not actively engaged in academic activities, they're going to regress. But there are things you can do to keep this from happening. Mary Margaret Pingree from Utah Idaho Supply here with some fun books that will keep your kids active and learning all summer long. First of all, how much do kids really learn? Is there a significant learning loss that happens over the summertime?
It can be up to 2 to 6 months of learning loss during the summertime, which
and
is
that's
pretty
significant. That's a lot.
And parents worry about it. I worry about it as a parent, so sure, it's significant.
Because then you get them back into school in September, and you're like, how did you forget all this stuff?
Yeah.
You know, you were just out of vacation for a couple months.
It's frustrating to the kids, frustrating to the parents, frustrating to the teachers. So if we can eliminate that problem.
And that's exactly what we're going to do today, show you some ways to eliminate the problem. You have some great resources, great ideas, sort of programs, series of books that will help kids stay active during the summer and also stay mentally, keep all that intellect they've gained.
Physically active, academically active during the summer.
Okay, what's this first one here?
This one is Summer Bridge activities, and a lot of people are familiar with Summer Bridge. I used this with my kids last summer, and one of the reasons I really liked it is it addresses reading, math, science, social studies, but I don't have to go out and find all those materials for my kids, because you know, sometimes you feel like I have to find a math curriculum, then I have to find science experiments. That's hard as parents, and if you have multiple children, you have to do it for each one.
For each grade, each kid,
so this book has it all in one easy package. Plus, the kids actually really like it. So this is just an example of a page. This is for a child who just finished 5th grade, entering 6th grade. 8 math problems, multiplication of decimals. What kid can't do 8 math problems? It only takes 3 minutes to do 8 math problems. Then there's some grammar. This happens to be whether a sentence is a fragment, a run-on, or a complete sentence. You turn the page, reading comprehension, and this also happens to be science too, because it's an article about biology. Done.
Wow. And it's got everything, all the you know, the different curriculums all there together.
So you may not do science every day, but you do math every day, and by the end of the summer, you've made enough connections academically that you haven't lost all that learning.
It's called Bridge because you're bridging from one grade to the next one.
Yeah.
What is the next one? This is the Summer Fit program?
This is Summer Fit. This is brand new. I really am excited about this one. Granite School District uses this for their summer learning program. The really great thing about this is they've added an element of physical fitness into this, and also an element of values. So each week focuses on a different value, like determination or hard work or honesty, and lots of the activities support that value. So, for example, this one's really fun and colorful. This is day 1 of week 3, and this talks about adjectives. This is for a 2nd grader entering 3rd grade. So it gives them a noun, tells them to add 2 adjectives, and then color a picture. So they start to see, the adjectives that I add really make a mental picture for people, and they start to understand how
stinky green feet, and you draw a picture of that.
Very different than just feet.
Yeah, exactly.
Then on the other side, they have exercises. 3 30-second exercises that they can do. Kids love that. They run outside, they do it for a minute and a half, then they come back and they're ready for their 4 math problems, 6 math problems actually, then they're done.
Great. Okay, that's Summer Fit, both intellect and physical activity. And the last one, what's Summer Express all about?
This is a workbook that's done by Scholastic, which parents recognize and really respect Scholastic. It's a similar kind of activity book. It has fun. All of these have fun stickers. They have a reading list. They have certificates of completion in the back. This one has a vocabulary, and then on the back some math problems with the colorful dot to dot that they get to do.
Great ideas right there.
Really fun.
And even though it's snowing outside today, summer vacation's coming, and you're going to be needing this stuff. You guys have a great deal going on right now at Utah Idaho Supply.
We do. If you come into Utah, Idaho between now and Saturday, April 30th, you get 20% off your purchase.
Okay. And summer vacation is like less than a month away in a lot of areas, so it's good information. If you'd like more information on these summer activities, you can find it all at uisupply.com. We'll also provide a link on our website as well. Thanks so much for stopping in.
Thank you.